Hi, I'm Sejal, founder and creative director of Milestone Dubai. Pergolas and gazebos are one of the most important part of the landscape design. If you're moving into a new property or upgrading your landscape, check what is the architecture of the property, because the style of the villa that you're living in, whether it is Mediterranean or contemporary, modern, classic, the design of the architecture of your property will decide the landscape design. Depending on the landscape design, you will see that the pergola complements your architecture of the property. It can be brown, white, grey, any color that you wish. Either the pergola is attached to your property or it can be a standalone structure. The landscape designer puts the pergola in the most appropriate space, which is closer probably to a kitchen, because you're going to decide the purpose for which you're building the pergola. The pergola is going to be decided depending on your budget and availability of space.